Here we have the new muffler's exhaust system in. Over here, I don't know if you can see it very well. We installed new parking cables, front and the two rear. And here's the exhaust system underneath. In addition to that, we also installed a new fuel line. There it is right there. So we've got a few more things to finish up, but it's getting close to putting it down on the ground. Now this cable hanging down here is a speedometer cable. And it turns out the back portion of the automatic transmission has been welded shut. So I have a spare transmission. I'm going to take the back end off of it. And I'll go take a look at that, and we'll take a little video of that. So it's coming along. We used clamps for the exhaust system. We put a little belt on there just in case for transport. And I plan on, when I get it up to New York State, to have a mechanic there. End up going over everything, starting the motor up, and also welding the exhaust system instead of using the clamps. So here I have the back end of the automatic transmission, and this point right here, that's where the speedometer cable goes in with the gear, and that little bolt nut holds comes with the speedometer cable. Got a brand new one to go in there. So anyways, fortunate that he didn't throw away the spare transmission, so that's going to work out well when we have the muffler system worked on, and that'll be out of the way. He'll be able to lower the motor, hopefully, and grab the rear end of the automatic transmission and replace it with this unit here. Okay, we have all the components underneath that I need to mount, and the T-Bird's back down on the ground. So if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe. We're going to have many more episodes of the restoration of this. I call this the Red Bird, actually. The one in the back over there that I'm using as spares, I call the Bird. But anyways, and hit the notification. Like I say, there's going to be several episodes, so if you subscribe, you'll know when I post more videos. Have a nice day.